Here's an easy way to draw an ice cream cone. We'll start out with a V shape. And then come over to the side you started on, and we'll draw a C shape. And another C shape. And then another C shape connecting to the other side of the V. Next, we'll draw a circle that comes around and ends right here. I'll draw another curve to connect it. And down in the cone area, we'll just draw a tic-tac-toe box. So one line here, another line facing, then come the other direction, draw a line across, and another identical line across. Now we could add a cherry, we could add some sprinkles, add whatever you want. I'm gonna add some sprinkles, which are just little sprinkle shapes. Well, obviously, since they're sprinkles. And that's how you draw an easy cartoon of the ice cream cone. Thanks for subscribing, and let me know what you'd like to see drawn next.